What I have in front of me is the Style Factor Edge Booster, and this one is the pineapple scent. They actually have different scents besides this one, but I just got this one because, for one, it was like one of the ones that they had left, and I think it was like the last one. Also, it had a stronger smell to it. So, for one, the smell, I'll talk about the smell. The smell, it smells just like pineapple. It literally smells just like pineapple. Like, there's no pineapple and then this, or no, it doesn't smell like pineapple. No, this actually smells like pineapple. Anyway, these are one of my edge controls. This is when I want something to be a very, very strong hold, when I don't really have time to mix anything. And this is like my result. So, first of all, the only thing about it is when I'm using this, it sometimes does flake. That's the only thing I have issues with. But when I don't really have time to mix or anything, I may like use just some water, some extra water, and kind of mix it in so it won't be so. The consistency will kind of be a little bit watered down, even though this is a water-based edge control, and it says it right here. A stronghold water. Stronghold water-based pomade. I would like add water wherever I'm applying the gel, or I try to my best. I try to mix it with another edge control that I have that has a little bit of oiliness. So anyway, this booster is made with natural argan oil, and it absorbs quickly with no oily residue. So that's probably one of the main things of why, if you have this product and it sometimes flake, it's because it's a water base. It's not really oily. If it was something like with a little oily consistency to it, with the edge control, then you won't have so much of a flake. You will just have real shiny, you know, where it just looks really shiny and sheeny, if that makes sense. Like sheen or shine, sheen, hair sheen, whatever. It nourishes and hydrates while providing a strong and pliable hold. So this actually does hold for a very long time. I remember when I was doing an event outside from morning to the evening, so I'll give it like around 10 to around 7, and it was hot outside. I was under shade, but still, it was still hot. Anyway, it stayed all day long. The only thing I was just like, ugh, is that it turned white. But other than that, it was fine. You know, it was completely fine. It stayed. It held my edges in place. I was like, oh yes, okay, but I just had to apply some water on it or whatever. But anyway, I already said it doesn't have any oily, you know, residue, consistency-ness to it, so you don't have to worry about a non-greasy formula. So, like, if you want to, I don't know, I guess supposedly like define your curls or control frizz or something like that, you can use this. I just would be careful on how much you would use and whether or not you use it every single day. If you use it, for instance, if you use it like on the weekend, I would highly recommend you, if you do, have a scarf and go around it so you don't have to keep applying this, because I think that's where flakiness will actually come about as well if you keep applying it every single day. But this stuff, you can really just slap a scarf on it and it will, you know, it will stick. So you don't really have an issue with, you know, really about reapplying anything, because it sticks and stays. This product is unisex. I know that they have. Trying to think of what other scents or whatever I think they have. I know they have blueberry. I know there's a blueberry one. I know for a fact there is a blueberry one. And then I believe there's a coconut one. And the colors kind of like contrast with like the fruits, or I presume because the pineapple gets like the yellow feel. The blueberry is blue. Coconut, I believe is like white. And they have mini ones as well, so you don't necessarily have to get the big one. I believe they have smaller ones. And the hold on this is a 5. So yeah, so I like that it gives what the hold number is. And then on the back, and then it just shows you like directions on, yep, and the ingredients. And then it gives you when it expires. That is really, really, really smart. So again, this is the Style Factor Edge Booster, and this is the pineapple scent. You don't necessarily have to get the pineapple scent. Let me show you what it feels like too. I think I should have done that. I'll just do it like that. Okay, so you can kind of see. Try to clear it a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, so it runs in really smoothly. It goes in really, it absorbs really quickly and smoothly. So, yeah. So yes.